How to install a Diablodesign template.
In the zip package, you will find 3 files that need to be extracted to the main directory on our server. The database is set up. Open a web browser, enter the address of our site, after the /add start.php and start installation.
When the process is complete, we proceed to install the system. Press the Run the Installer button. Click the Next button.
We provide data to our database. If the database installation was successful, press the Next Step button. In this step, we have to fill in the super administrator's data, which we need to log into the Joomla admin panel. Then go to the tab next to your page and press the Cleanup button. This option will remove installation files and system zip package.